this school year, grade 8 students took a college visit to WHYY University. Let's check out what they learned on their tour with senior trip reporter Anaya.
8th grade took a trip down I-95 to WHYY University.
It gives you an opportunity to see what college looks like, what college feels like.
As a part of the trip, we took a campus tour and talked to some of the students about their majors and their favorite spots on campus.
I'm undecided, but I'm leaning towards biology.
A nursing major.
We're majoring in biology. Mostly we take like a bio classes, chemistry classes, a first year seminar, English, and in an arts and sciences class, the basics.
It's a small college, but there's a lot of things to do, and honestly, the professors are always like there for you. Their office hours are always open, and it's always like a good experience. My favorite spot? I think I would say the volleyball sand court, because it's pretty fun to play, and then also the rec center, because like it's also got like the swimming pool and all that.
Kirkbride. It's like a lounge on the second floor, and it's a lot of comfy seats, and like there's also an observatory there, so that's nice too.
My favorite spot, probably the library. It's real chill in there.
That was edifying. Next up, students in our upper academy ran campaigns for student government. Let's check in with senior political reporters Mackenzie, Amira, and Michaela.
In fall of 2024, Marian Anderson had their student council campaign.
I feel that the scholars this year have done an amazing job writing their campaign speeches, talking about specific issues that I'm hoping apply to the entire student body. And so I feel like there's going to be a great competition, a great campaign, and ultimately a great election on November 4th.
To make the school better and get more events out for us.
Candidates from 6th to 8th made posters and gave speeches.
Over the years, I've had the privilege of being part of this amazing community, and I want to share my vision for making our school even better.
Here's some things I have in mind. This school year, I want to make sure that all students are rewarded for their behavior.
You trusted me last year, you can trust me this year.
The students, at least who delivered their speeches yesterday, did even better than last year. Their speeches were professional, they were well delivered.
After votes were counted, we had a special swearing-in ceremony.
And I represent many of you and your families in the Pennsylvania House of Representatives. And it is such an honor for me to be here with you today on this amazing occasion. Now, before we start, can we give our student leaders a big round of applause?
Congratulations to everyone who participated in this important democratic process. In October, our school's newly formed junior chapter of the National Society of Black Engineers hosted a math night. Senior activities reporter Nasir Johnson has a story.
I think it's really important to give back to the youth. And yeah, why not? Why wouldn't I come? Math night is amazing. Look at this. My favorite activity, the geo boards. That was my favorite activity. Making cool shapes. I made a pumpkin. I made a ghost. Nesby, great question. So we're actually the National Society of Black Engineers. So it's just, it's a national organization for students like us, black students, to get together. We learn together, we have workshops. So we do a lot of professional and beneficial things. I'm having a great time. I feel like there should be many more math nights because this is amazing. It helps you with communication too because you're learning with others.
So we came to your event because we wanted to make you guys happy, bring help, introduce engineering to you guys, and just make a change in the community. My favorite activity had to be the Play-Doh. I thought it was really cool, working with my hands, and I like.
My favorite activity had to be our activity, of course, making the Legos and learning how to communicate well with your fellow peers.
Yes, I'm having a lot of fun. We're accompanied by the other Nesby chapter, so we're talking to other people, meeting parents, making connections.
I'm having a great time. It was wonderful, like meeting a lot of kids. You guys are very interesting, very funny, and very smart.
Well, that's all the news for today. Thanks for watching.
I'm Serenity.
I'm Nasir, signing off.